This is ladies' night, gonna have some fun tonight. Oh, what a night. Oh, what a night. I don't even know if that's how the song goes, but here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna wail. Oh, I done broke something. Mail. Hey. Hey, what's up, besties? Today we're going to be getting into this box from Erin Condren, another box from Erin Condren. I am so excited about this box. This is in support of International Women's Day and Women's Month, which is in March. So I'm actually, okay, I may be a little bit behind. My package came late on Friday, and yeah, I was gone. I had dipped, and I didn't know it had arrived. Then when I didn't get a like a tracking or anything on it. So I am doing this today because today is the day that it releases, and I want you guys to see what you can get in case you missed it from somebody else. You get it from me, and why not get it from your girl, okay? Because I'm here for it. All right, so let's go ahead and get inside of this. You're gonna love from what I've seen. Okay, yes, I did a sneak peek for myself because I'm nosy, but I am going to show you guys what's inside this box. Let's get into it. And this is what it looks like when you open it up. It is Be the Hero. And we're going to talk about heroes in our life, and you'll get all of this stuff. And we're going to use the hashtag Erin Condren, Hero Project, Wonder Woman, all of that. We are celebrating being a woman, and I am here for it. Look at this. Ain't this gorgeous? Ain't it gorgeous? Okay, I love it. Like, you can tell it's that whole Wonder Woman theme. As you can see, I told you I had opened it up, but I didn't open it up too much where you guys wouldn't get the full effect. So let's go ahead and, oh my gosh, like, I love this wrap. Like, somebody took time to do this and make this presentation something, because that's immaculate, okay? I'm here for it. All right, so we open it up. Let's get this stuff out of here. Ooh, wait, oh wait, I love it. I like what I'm seeing. Ooh, sweetie, it's a whole lot in here. Let me do this. Ooh, so we can get this box out the way. Just throw it in the bag. Okay, here we go. There's a lot of stuff in here. Oh my gosh, you guys are like in for a treat. And I'm sorry about my desk being all ratchet and raggedy. Get it together, child. It's got scratch marks and everything else. And okay, that is not the focus of this video. Let's stay focused. Can you focus on me? I can focus on you. Okay, so this is, they're calling it like the Wonder Woman collection. So in honor of International Women's Day and in celebration of Erin Condren's collaboration with Wonder Woman, this is everything. That's going to be coming out with this line today, and I'm so excited. So let's start with these. These are like the puffy stickers. High gloss sticker sheet. And I just need to open them up because I need to fill them. Like, we already know what bubble stickers feel like, but I don't know, something about these Wonder Woman stickers, they got me on 10. Like, this is so stinking cute. Can you guys see that? Look at these stickers. So you have like the little Wonder Woman shields and the hats. Now, if you guys didn't know, I am definitely a what we call a comic book movie buff. Like, I love all of those movies and stuff, but Wonder Woman was one of my favorites since I was little. She just always had like so much swag about her. She had laissez-faire, okay? And I loved that. Okay, so now we have these petite journals. So this one is the 80 line pages. So let's open this one up. Y'all know I'm about to open up all of this stuff here. Let's see what's in the bag. Okay, this one says Be the Hero, and it's just the lined paper on the inside, so that's cool. And the Wonder Woman emblem. I am here for all of this extra detail in here. Like, oh my. Okay, so I wasn't paying it. Maybe I didn't see that. Okay, so look closely. Do you see her? She's right there, but you can see her better on the back because there's no wording and stuff, but she's right there. Oh my gosh, how stinking cute is that? Okay, I see y'all. I see EC with the definitions, you know, really taking it on in there. All right, and then this one is the productivity pages. Okay. And somehow I managed to get marker on my hand. I have no idea where that came from, but here we are. Okay, so this one just says Wonder Woman at the front, and it has the Wonder Woman emblem, and then Believe You Can, and then the productivity pages. Okay, so that's in, does it go back and forth in all the colors? Oh, that's so cute. So cute. Okay, so this was one of my favorite notebooks that came out for the petite planner, because you could write your notes over here and then make a to-do list. Like, who's not here for a to-do list over here on the side, so you can just really get things together. So this came in handy when I was like in meetings, doing things for Planning a Better Me. I could just take notes from over there, and then whatever I needed to follow up on, I could do on this side. So stinking cute. You get 80 pages of those sheets in this notebook. I am here for it. And you don't have to have the petite planner in order to use this notebook. I used to carry these around just by themselves and just, you know, like marking them. So definitely don't think you have to have that in order to do this. I think these notebooks are like super portable, great for your purse, all of that stuff. All right, so then we get the designer metallic markers, and I think I've showed these before, but just in case, I want to show you guys again. So these markers here are just the metallic type. And let me find something I can write on, child, because I being tore some stuff up. Let's just use this. Oh, because y'all know, I don't really want to write in a notebook. Anyway, let's not judge me. Okay, so this is the gold, and then this is the silver. Now, I've not seen if I'm able to write on all surfaces, but I know I've been able to use this to label like my different Happy Planner sticker books. I use these at the top to label them, and I absolutely love them. They don't smudge or smudge off, but I don't know, you know, like what materials you can and cannot use them on. But these are definitely some great markers to get and use and have them and love on them forever and ever. So I'm gonna stick those back in there so I don't lose them, because I already have a set over here that I use, and yeah, I'm just gonna add them to my hoarding collection. Okay, then we have some more of the colorful dual tips. Of course, we get them in the colors that, you know, represent Wonder Woman: the black, the red, and the blue. And I was wondering how many times I was gonna have to repeat myself, child, to get that open, honey. Okay. If you have not seen the dual tip markers, they are pretty simple. You have on one end, you have the medium point, and then on the other end, you have the fine tip. You guys can go watch my last video that I did with Erin Condren and the softbound collection. You guys can go see that to see how these markers write. I'll have it linked up there in the box in the Quanta, so you guys can see all of that goodness. But these are some awesome, amazing pen markers, you know, felt, whatever, and I feel like you can't get enough of these. Like, so anyway, y'all saw that. I have a lot of them, but you cannot have too many of these. Never. What if there's a shortage? You know what I'm saying? Like, I can't be Wonder Woman out here if I don't have my dual tip markers. I'm just saying. All right, now, oh my God, I love it. This is the Take Note Wonder Woman times Erin Condren softbound notebook, you guys. Oh my goodness, this just, oh, look at it. Look at it. Do you see what I see? Oh my goodness, this is just absolutely beautiful. I love it. Okay, so inside of here it says be the hero. Oh, this is so cute. And this is just a classic line college world notebook, and I love the attention to detail in here. This is absolutely gorgeous. I don't even know where I would like take this because it's so pretty. This is definitely something I would keep on my desk, because I would not want to get this messed up. Like, y'all know me, it just takes one little marker or something being on my hand and I mess it up. So cute. Oh, this is so gorgeous. And I love the softbound collection because it is a little bit more flexible than some of the other ones. Like the hardbound doesn't like bend all the way back like this, but this one like truly bends. This is an amazing, like, this would be so cute for a journal. Oh, this is so cute. This is, oh, so pretty. All right, so then you can also choose from this one. So here's another softbound notebook. So you'll have the options of the white in the blue, but I highly recommend, you know, getting both of them so that you can look as cool as this. You know, I don't know how they're going to release them, if they're going to release it as a whole set or just individual items. I don't know. You know, I don't know. But look at this. This is so cute. The Wonder Woman, the Wonder Woman emblem on the outside. This is kind of like etched in. It's so, I love it. And then you have your Wonder Woman stuff here. And then it's just the same like college ruled notebook on the inside. And I love this attention to detail, as I said before. And it does come with the bookmark like ribbon to keep everything where you want it. I think these are so super stinking cute. If you are a notebook girl, you're probably going to want to have these in your collection. I am a notebook girl, probably more so than I should be. I don't need any more notebooks, but you can never have too many. Like, again, I'm always worried about the shortage. Like, what if, you know, notebooks can't be found anymore? Like Fahrenheit, what was it for? Okay, let me stop. I think it was Fahrenheit 511 or something like that back in school when it was like a shortage of books. Nobody was reading anymore. What if that happens with notebooks? Okay. Moving on. Then we have the planning pack. And this one is in red. I have not seen this color look, and in the inside is blue. Oh, that is so cute. Now, y'all know I love these little planning packs. They come in handy for just, you know, keeping stuff with you on the go, making sure you have all that you need. And this is so stinking cute. Let me take this off of here for those who haven't seen a planning pack before. So it's just like this. You would just pop it on either the front of your planner. You can put it on the front of your softbound notebook and bring it up. Oh, that is so cute. That is so cute together. I am here for this together. Can you see that? Oh, that is adorable. Okay. Let me focus. But you can put it on pretty much anything. They put my name on it. Hold on, y'all. Okay. Sorry. I got sidetracked. Okay, so this one has it where you can put it on top of your notebook. So if you have the Erin Condren planner, you can just put this on top of there and take it all along with you. Perfect for planner meetups. I think this is like absolutely amazing. Okay, I was trying really hard. I didn't see this before. Oh my gosh, come through. I am a Wonder Woman and it has my name on there. That is so stinking cute. Okay, so I love the Erin Condren notebooks, just plain and simple. I love them because you can do exactly what you want to do with the notebook. You can use it for school, you can use it for just taking notes at work. But the fun and cool thing about it is it's just like an Erin Condren planner. You can change the covers as well. So I love that about it too. But what I love the most about this one is that it has my name with my name on it. There's a little Churchill for y'all, you know, in case you don't know. I really don't want to spend time putting this all the way back on here. Well, I'm trying to show y'all stuff. Okay. So anyways, inside of here, this is the classic line notebook, and I love this notebook again because it is perforated. So when you get ready to rip a page out of here, it actually has the mark, so you don't have to get the squiggly stuff on the outside. You know, the stuff that used to get on our nerves in school. Yeah, that stuff. But you can separate this however you want to and use it for whatever. I am so geeked up about this. And then in the back, you do get some of like the little tab stickers. So they're just like that in case you couldn't see. So you can use that just to mark down whatever you want to. I love that they came out with this style as well. They used to have another style with the air sticks on it, but I don't know if that just comes with the planners or what. I'm not really sure about that, but I love that it comes, you know, you do get the stickers in a notebook. So essentially this notebook is like whatever you want it to be, however you want it to be, it's yours. You can do what you want to do with it because you are Wonder Woman. I love that. Okay, and then move that out the way, and then you get these two notepads, and this is be the hero, but one is in blue and one is in red. I wonder, are they gonna like come as a pack together? I can definitely see that happening where they'll come like this in a pack, and that'd be so stinking cute. But you can keep these on your desk. They aren't the sticky ones, they're just regular, you know, notepad, but on the back it is blank. So if you're a person that likes to just grab a notebook and write things down, and say you're watching me and you're trying to follow along with what you like, you can, you know, write it down on here. Okay, write it down. I love it. This was an awesome collection from Erin Condren. I'm excited that they decided to collaborate with Wonder Woman and do the whole thing. Like they did a whole thing out here, and I cannot like this is everything, y'all. Like, it's so much stuff. What are you guys going to get? Like, what items do you like? I don't even know how I'm gonna do a thumbnail for this because it's so much goodness. Like, how do we do this? How do we make this pop? I don't know, you guys. We'll have to play around with this so you guys can see all that you can see in the thumbnail. But this is everything that we got for today. Let me know what you guys like down below in the comment section. Shout out to all my Wonder Women. Happy Women's Month, and celebrate some type of way. Do something for you. Do something for another woman. Celebrate women. It's amazing that we get a whole month to just celebrate who we are and what we're all about. And thank you, Erin Condren, for recognizing that and for partnering with Wonder Woman, because I mean, we all walk around with S's on our chests. I need to go back to bed. I love you guys in real life. Let me know down below what you're going to grab from this collection. And don't forget, there'll be a coupon code down below so you guys can save $10 if you've never purchased anything from Erin Condren before. And you can also just save by using my link, my affiliate link down below. I do make a little kickback if you use the affiliate link. Just thought I'd let you guys know that so YouTube doesn't come for me, because I don't want them kind of problems. But if you support me, you know, go ahead and click the link. Don't not click the link. Click the link. Get the coins. You get coins, I get coins. Coins. Click, click, click. It's all everywhere. Thank you guys so much again, and I love you guys in real life. Mwah! KK, bye.